What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm outside the headquarters right now in my garage. Just finished fabricating some handrails for a porch. Got a call today. A lady, mother was visiting her and slipped on the steps due to the snow that's in the area, and they seemed to feel like they had a need of having some anyway. Like, you know what, we need to have some handrails anyway. My mother's getting a little older, that way she can get up the steps and then ain't gonna be no issue. So, and they got my number off my truck from seeing it, advertised. So, you got the network, man. You never know how things will work out if you network yourself. So I went and picked up a few things, knocked this out. This was right here. It was a simple fabrication. For those who want to know what I charge for these, to make two of these on this scale was $250 for two of them, like $125 a piece, for this. And this is 14 gauge, 1.5 inch tubing. So just so you get an idea. So for a set, like I say, for a set, pretty much $250 for the whole set, and for one of them, $125. So it just depends on what they want, and they can go up from there. So if they get fancier, they want extra tubes, they want some designs, you can go up and up from there. But just to give you an idea, this was a simple design and something that you can do in your leisure time, because I've been working on this here too, this platform. So I pretty much almost got it done. Well, the platform is done. I just got to do the handrails now that goes on this platform. So I'm working on that, killing a few birds with one stone while I'm at the house today. And just wanted to say, man, when you network your skills, you never know, you know what I mean? Actions always speak louder than words. HogOn.